Hello, my name is Will Horton. Today I'll be explaining some new research that helps us understand why pancreatic cancer grows so fast and what scientists are learning about how to slow it down. Pancreatic cancer is one of the hardest cancers to treat. It grows quickly, spreads early, and is often found late. Many families in North Carolina have been affected by this disease, so learning about how it works is very important to our community. Most pancreatic cancers start because of a damaged gene inside the cell. When this gene breaks, the cell gets stuck in the grow mode, almost like a car with the gas pedal stuck to the floor. The cancer cells just keep dividing, even when they shouldn't. That damaged gene uses a message system inside the cell to tell it to grow, survive, and spread. It's a constant keep going signal. If this message is turned off, the cancer cell slows down. This study looks at what the message is protecting inside the cell. Cancer cells also have extra helper proteins that act like tools to keep them alive, especially when they're under stress. These helpers make cancer tougher and harder to treat. Scientists wanted to see if blocking these helpers could weaken the cancer. The researchers asked two simple questions that guided the entirety of the experiment. Does the cancer's endless grow signal protect one of the helper proteins? And does the helper protein make the cancer stronger? To find out, they used pancreatic cancer cells grown in the lab. They turned off the grow signal and watched what happened. Then they removed the helper proteins and checked how the cancer cells reacted, how well they survived, how fast they grew, and whether they could form new tumor-like clusters. The first major finding was this. When the grow signal was turned off, one of the cancer's helper proteins quickly fell apart. The cells still made the protein, but it broke down almost instantly. This means the cancer relies on the grow signal to keep that helper protein alive. The second big finding was that this helper protein really does make the cancer stronger. Without it, the cancer cells grew much more slowly. They couldn't form strong clusters, and in mouse studies, tumors missing this helper stayed smaller. Removing both helper proteins made the cancer even weaker. This research matters because it points to a weak spot in pancreatic cancer. If doctors can one day block these helpers or block the signal that protects them, we might be able to slow the cancer down. This could lead to new treatment ideas and better outcomes for families in North Carolina and everywhere else. It's important to remember that this study was done in cells and in mice, not in people. Human cancers are more complex, so more research is needed. But the results give scientists a clear direction for the future. So in summary, pancreatic cancer grows fast because its growth signals never shut off. Those signals protect special helpers inside the cancer. Without these helpers, the cancer becomes weaker. Targeting these helpers may one day lead to better treatments. Thank you.